Hello everyone. Why my child is not concentrating? Yes, sometimes teacher complain that your child is not concentrating at all in class. He or she is not listening to us. And what are the reason behind this? First of all, distraction. Your child get distracted with multiple things, with his friends also, with some other thing, with any game, TV, mobile, anything can distract them. Lack of interest. It may be possible that he is not having any interest in what the teacher is saying or what teacher is teaching. Inability to sit still. It may be possible that he don't want to sit for a long time. Fourth point is moody and cranky. It may be possible your child is moody and cranky. He can read in his best hours only. Fifth point is unorganized. If your child is unorganized and your teacher said, please open your maths book, and he is not able to find his book, then he is not able to concentrate in the class. And sixth point is hyperactive. If your child is hyperactive, he can't sit still for the long time. He is unorganized. He get distracted very easily. So these are the points that helps you to find the reason behind why a child is not able to concentrate.
Parents, if you find it helpful, please like and share it. Thanks for watching.